Hello guys, and welcome to my channel again. I am just thrilled to come on to tell you about my new Speedy 30 bag I got off of eBay in Damier Azur. But before I do, I want to also talk about my other two Speedy 30s now that I have the Trifecta, which is all three bags in the three different prints. I'm very excited. I've wanted this for a very long time. So before we get started, I need you guys to do me a favor. Once again, go ahead and quickly hit that like and subscribe to my channel. Follow and support me. And for the ones who are following me, mwah, thank you so much. I'm very appreciative. Now, let's get started. This is the Speedy 30 in Damier Ebene. It is the bandolier. It has the shoulder strap to it. I have the other strap to go with it. It's just a shorter one that you can extend it, but I like mine to fit right up under the shoulder, so I took it off. But really, that's pretty much the only difference between the bandolier. It does have the side line to it, leather line to it. Damier Ebene, a lot of people like Damier Ebene because it has the treated brown leather, so you don't have to worry about the vachetta getting wet or darkening. So yeah, but I like it, and I think it's a good fall color print. It also, the difference is, and I'll just show you, this is the Speedy 30 in the Monogram, and it does have the vachetta leather on it, which I love this bag because it has patinaed so beautifully here. But it is a few differences between the bandolier and just the Speedy 30. It does have to where you can, it has a strap to it, and you can't put a strap on this one. Some people, they do put a strap here on the hardware, but I don't ever want to do that because I think that it could really put pressure on the handles and possibly tear it up, and I don't want to do that. So, but yeah, but that's pretty much the difference is the strap, and then it has the leather strip going down as far as the bandolier versus the regular Speedy. But I do have this one decorated. You guys know, the ones that's been following me for a while, that I love to decorate my bags, and I decorated this bag for Halloween. I have the cute little bag charm Halloween. I have the charms on there, isn't that cute? And then I have this cute little spider charm there. I added a charm strap, and then I added the pearl and the silver tone here strap to the side. And then I just put a cute little fall color ribbon on here, and I have my Halloween bag. So I love it. I did take it to when I went to lunch today with my husband, and it just looked adorable. And I just really am enjoying it so far. So yeah, so I have, like I said, these two already that I really enjoy. And now I have the Damier Azur and Speedy 30. And I got it from eBay. It is really cute. I did get it authenticated, and I just love it. It is just beautiful. On the inside, which, let me take this out. I did buy and when I got it in the mail, I immediately put it in there. I bought a bag protector to go in it, but it looks really good on the inside. It has the beige lining, and then I did buy the beige organizer to go in it. It does have the pocket right here. It's not a zip pocket, and that is the difference with this bag here. The bandoliers have a zip pocket to it. So yeah, they have a zip. So that's another difference. But I am just ecstatic that I have the Damier Azur. I think it's in really good condition. I'm just very excited. I think that I will get a lot of enjoyment out of it. It did come with a lock, but it doesn't have the key. And it says the lock number is 448. And I am going to look online to get the key. I think you can go either to Etsy or eBay. And I'm going to get the lock taken off of there, because I really don't like the lock on my Vachetta, because I don't want it to weigh it down and mess it up. But the hardware looks really good on it. It just looks really good, and I am so glad that I have all three Speedies. So yeah. So do you guys own the Speedy? Do you own the bandolier, or do you own just the regular Speedy? What are your pros and cons? I can't say the cons are that significant. It doesn't discourage me as far as if I'm going to pick up this one or this one to carry. I carry both of them pretty much in the bend of my arm like this. So even with the strap, I'm usually carrying it like this. I really don't like carrying it a lot of times like this on the shoulder. And I definitely don't like it as a crossbody. And I think that with my charms and stuff, it sits better when I carry it in the bend of my arm. So, I don't know. I guess if I was gonna buy one brand new, I would probably buy the bandolier just so I can have that option. But I got this one pre-loved, and I'm just fine with it like this. Just a regular Speedy. They don't even sell the Damier Azur online anymore as far as the Speedy. So that makes me feel good too that I have one. But it's in really, really good condition. So I'm very happy with it, and I am going to enjoy wearing this bag. So, and I'll have to spice it up like I usually do, but I usually put charms and stuff on it, and then when I'm done, I just kind of set it back on the shelf and just leave it alone. So, yeah. So, tell me what you think. Do you already own these bags? Is it a bag that you really don't care for? I know a couple of people that are like, well, I don't really care for the Speedy. Says it looks like a suitcase, which, you know, Audrey Hepburn was the one that inspired that look. So I think it is supposed to kind of look like a little suitcase, miniature suitcase, or a carry-all per se. But a lot of people don't like that look when it comes to, you know, rocking a handbag, but I do. I just really adore it, and I wish that I could get it in other colors. I would love to get it in the Murakami. So yeah, I would love to get a Murakami Speedy, probably the multicolor black. So yeah, so that's all I have for you guys. Like I said, just kind of give me feedback. Tell me which print you like the best. Do you like the Monogram, the Damier Ebene, or the Damier Azur the best? Which print do you like the best? If I had to choose which print, that would be really hard for me because I have times where I like each one. I just can't, I can't pick right now. I just can't. But I'm enjoying carrying this bag right here. Let's see how long I'll carry it before I switch out. All right. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you again on the next video. I do have some more unboxings to do. Mwah.